All right, we're gonna do a crush test on 5 different pop-ups. We're gonna use one of our 3500 HD with the Duramax because, you know, this is a crush test. That motor weighs quite a bit, weighs more than a gasoline engine. I'm going to run over every one of them 4 times. Twice with the front tires, twice with the back tires. So you'll notice I'll pull up, run everything over with the rear axle, and then I'll put it in reverse and run everything over again. Now you can see that big plate, the weight of that Duramax diesel just pushes it right in the ground. So much weight, and the ground is so soft. This is why these disappear in the lawn so easily. It's because they're so small. All right, I went ahead and I dug up all the pop-ups. So these crossbars are quite weak. This one got pushed right into the lawn, so I had to dig everything up with a shovel. The spring part is damaged. One of these spokes is cracked. Actually, 2 of them are cracked. The new castle broke off on the back portion right here. The NDS I'm really blown away by this big lid. This thing, you know, these are the worst conditions. You know, it's mud. It's mud, so the truck sinks. You can see the indentation from the truck. So literally this plate was bent, and in, you know, just a few minutes time it kind of, you know, just returns to shape, holds its true shape. But yeah, it was initially, it was quite bent. I actually thought that the cover is stronger than the grate. What I mean by that is that pop-up lid that was on this one, it was not damaged at all. But when you look, like this plate is warped. I mean, because of all the weight I put on it, drove over it with. But the grate itself is stressed. You can actually see where the plastic turned white from the stress. I mean, this was a ridiculous test. I mean, a lawnmower is not going to hurt this. A lawnmower will not bother this whatsoever. You can drive the biggest lawnmower on the market. You can drive a tractor over it. I just proved that. You can see just how much the truck pushed down into the subsoil. Muddy, soft conditions. So it's definitely a good opportunity to do a test. You know, we broke the lids. That hinge is a weak hinge. And this broke here. And then it cracked right here. The spokes on this broke that hold the spring on. 2 of them out of the 3 are broke. So they were stressed, cracked. See this one? Yeah, that's usually what happens. Broke the lid off. So it looked fine in appearance, but it's broken. The lid is not functional. But this pop-up that can be used along with the 4-inch plug, these look fine. These look really, really good. No issues. You can take the door off. Go ahead and use this for a 4-inch inlet or vent pipe or outlet, and then have a turf restrictor around it. So there's where we ended up. Bunch of broken pop-ups. And a pop-up and a turf restrictor plate with a drain plug still intact, functioning properly, ready for the next rain. All right, everybody, until the next video.